Hi guys, welcome to Cindy in LA. Today, I'm gonna go to Beverly Hills. Let's check it out, some stores. I went to Neiman Marcus in Beverly Hills and there were so many shoes. So I was checking the shoe section. As you can see, the price is like $700, $800 for the flat. I love ballerina flat. This kind of loafer look classic. There is a tweed sling bag. This pink color is so lovely. Oh my gosh, love this espadrille. How about ankle boots? I love the denim one. And there's a tweed. This is like typical style, like a combat boot. I love this white ankle boots. The Chanel at the back, so lovely. I wanted the, famous black daddy sandal, but they didn't have. I like these two leather long boots, especially the front toe part, the detail. Love this simple style ankle boot. There were so many sneakers. I think this is mixed fiber style. Personally, I like leather sneakers in solid color. Now, let's check it out, Louis Vuitton. I like the woven style bag. I love this petit mar with new print. This pink Lucky BB is cute. Now let's check it out, women's ready-to-wear and shoes. The color of sneakers are so vivid and so pretty. Love this snowdrop flat ankle boot. I like this subtle trimming of monogram pattern. I love this t-shirt. Love the architecture print of new season. There was a longer version as a sweater dress. Like this bomber jacket, very chic. And this is also signature, the print of this season. I would love to get this red jogger pants with matching t-shirt. And the skirt is very unique, perfectly matching with the black pattern. These are more feminine or formal look. I love this sweater. Now move on to men's section. Personally, for men's ready-to-wear, I prefer sporty style than formal style and see these or the briefcase. There are belt bags as well. I love it. And there is a scarf, necktie. Ooh, there are a lot of watch. Love it. I love the red trunk. Someday I want to collect all the trunk. Now let's move on to Maje and Sandro. Right now the sale is ended and these are all new arrivals. Let me try it on. I love this checkered knit skirt and the cardigan. You can wear as set, also separately. I would love to get just cardigan. And I can match with my jean. Love the baby blue color trimming. I love this checkered pattern polo dress. This is kind of Gucci style, don't you think? Yeah, but I really love the color combination and the black trimming. For this shirt dress, it looks like a trench coat, right? I like the style, but there was only size 40, which is too big. This is pretty much a snug fit, so I would get 36. There was this pattern coat and jacket, yeah, in every style. I love this coat, perfect for like winter season. I love these t-shirts. I got one for myself as size 1. Yeah, I can match with any skirt, pants, even jean. I think this is pretty much well matching, but there was only size 36 available, which was small. I prefer like 38. I couldn't find this dress from homepage, but this is so pretty, like with Barbie pink color. This style, yeah, so feminine and cute. I love this multicolor crochet polo dress, very comfortable. Size 36 was like even snug fit, so yeah, you can go down one size. This black dress is kind of formal, feminine style. Yeah, I love this velvet like trimming. And pearl style button is so lovely and feminine. I love it. So during long weekend holiday, I went to Desert Hill Outlet. It's on the way to Palm Springs. This is Valentino sandal I tried. How do you think? It was comfortable, it's flat, but yeah, I prefer this style, like Teddy sandal style. The black looks pretty much more versatile to wear. And from here, I found Maje and Sandro. So let me go to Maje first. As you know, from outlet, you can get like 1 year ago, like last year summer season. And there is like recent one that those are like 15% off, but these were like 60% off. So I was like thinking, which one should I get? I love this cardigan. And the mom jean is so comfortable. But the cardigan was almost a new season, so I think this year. So it was not like just 50% off. This skirt was 60% off, but there was not my size. It was too small, but it perfectly matching with this cardigan. Cardigan was just 15% off. How about this? I matched with my Benetton t-shirt. This dress was 60% off. I love this punching detail. I like the contrasting yellow sleeve. I like this sleeveless tweed style dress. Now let's check it out, Sandro. Sandro had more options to choose for me. I love this knit dress, very comfortable. This dress was a little bit, yeah, too much V-neck. I love the color though. I like the stud detail on the skirt side. I love this dress. I got one actually. I got size 40 because they didn't have a 38. I love this jacket. I've seen this in white color. I like this Bermuda jean. It's perfectly matching with this t-shirt. So I matched with my Sandro's short white pants with this top. It's a little bit too tight. Love this tweed style dress. So I got something from Sandro. Yes, I got this one, size 40. See you on the next video. Bye bye.